Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope you are all doing great. So as you can see, today we're gonna learn together how to make this single crochet hexagon. It's very easy to achieve provided you follow the step-by-step tutorial. So it's not complicated at all. One thing we need to know about the hexagon, because I made so many and I made wrong ones, but I finally managed to get the right one. So the hexagon basically needs to be equal on all sides. Like for example, if you have 10 chains here, you must have 10 chains or rows here, 10 here, 10 all around, so you get the right shape of the hexagon. And now we're gonna see how to make the increase to make it look like this, then the increase to close it. Without further ado, we'll get started. So I'm using a random yarn you can use, and it requires 5 or 5.5 millimeter hook, but I'm using 5 millimeter hook. So this is only a demonstration. However, the written pattern and the PDF pattern in the description box will have the number of these hexagons, the actual ones. But you can customize it as much as you want depending what project you need to do. So I'll make a slip knot and I'll chain 10. I will make one single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So the second chain, one single crochet, and one single crochet in every chain till the last one, where I'll do 2 single crochet. Only the last chain I will make 2 single crochet. So this is my last one, the first single crochet, then another single crochet. So this was my first increase. Now chain 1, one single crochet in the first stitch as chain 1, one single crochet in every stitch, and again the last stitch will be 2 single crochet. And this is the last stitch where I'll do 2 single crochet. So this is the increase I need so far. So 2 single crochet in each row at the end of the row, means the last stitch. Now I'll chain 1 again, and the same thing, single crochet throughout till the last stitch. I'll do only 2 single crochet, and I will repeat the same for 10 rows total. Like we said, we have 10 stitches, we need to do 10 rows of increase. So again, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and the last stitch will be only 2 single crochet. I'll finish the 10th row and I'll come back to show you the next step, which will be the decrease. So to start the decrease row, what we're gonna do, chain 1, one single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in every stitch till the last 2 stitches where I'll do the decrease. So one single crochet in every stitch till the last 2. So I've got 2 stitches in my left. What I'll do, insert my hook in the stitch, pull through, insert my hook in the next stitch, pull through and pull through all. That's the first decrease. That's what we're gonna do for the next 9 rows. So this is the 10th one. From here we need 10 total rows to close the hexagon. So again, chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch. So the decrease is happening at the last 2 stitches. As I said, we continue the same for 9 more rows, or until we can count 10 stitches at the last row. And here is another decrease. Insert my hook, pull through, insert my hook in the next stitch, pull through all, and chain 1 and single crochet again. I'll come back to show you the final results. So I have finished here with my last row, and as I said, you must have 10 stitches in the last row. Also, one more thing, there will be no decrease in the last row. It's all one single crochet till the end stitch, where you'll do one single crochet only, not 2. And that's how you get the hexagon. This is a smaller version. You can make it as big or as small as you want, provided you have the right rules, which is the equal size on all sides. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and easy. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to check the description box for the information and the written pattern as well. Until the next time, take care, bye bye.